Alright, so some dude named Jack Rabbit said that if I could prove to him that these Soundcore earbuds actually stay in your ears no matter what they do, that he would buy one pair for every single one of his family members. So let's see if they can. I think old Jack's gonna be adding a few of these things to his cart.
I'm saying, if you don't eat, sleep, dream, think this all day, every day, you will not make it. You will not last. You will get eaten by the wolves. You will not clear the path. The path will clear you. Get up. Get up. Get up. It's that on.
Now, I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little bit out of breath because I don't normally do cardio-style workouts like that. But I figured that it was the best way to prove to old Jack that these things actually do stay in your ear no matter what you're doing. So I'm gonna put the link right here for him, and your family can thank me later.